Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you this week? Well, it's all about that I don't know what to draw. Stop scrolling. I've got just the idea for you. Actually, I've got 3 because, hey, that's what we do here at the Smart Art Academy. So, hint number 1, because let's face it, we've all done it. We've opened the sketchbook and crickets. Just don't know where to start, really. Haven't really got any motivation. Probably go and do something else. I might even hoover. Let's not push it though. So what you do is you open your sketchbook, start flicking through, find a page where you think, I quite like bluebells, but they're a bit meh. So I'm going to draw them again. Only this time, I'm going to try drawing it on a dark paper maybe, or I might use a different medium. And drawing the same subject again with a different medium is really cool for just starting to free, and it's freeing up your mind. And that's the whole thing, is it's just starting that matters, nothing else, just starting. Another great tip, the page 1 blank syndrome. They're all right words, wrong order. Blank page syndrome. Well, this little sketchbook is great because there's no page 1. It's all over the place, and it's higgledy-piggledy, and it's a surprise every time. So if you want to learn how to make one of these, check out the comments. I've got a giveaway where I send you a video of exactly how to make this so you can make your own, because this then becomes your messy book. It doesn't matter, there's no expectations, and that makes it much easier to start drawing. The last final tip in the last 10 seconds, I'll have you know, is grab the nearest thing to hand. I always have a brew. Just draw the cup. It's not about what you draw, it's just getting into the habit of observing and picking up that pen, pencil, whatever, and drawing. I'm over 2 minutes. Dang it. Right. Like, subscribe, come join the Academy. It'll be great to see you there. And don't forget to pick up your free video on how to make one of these fabulous little sketchbooks. And I will see you again in next week's 2-minute art hack. Bye.